I'm going to attach a fur pom-pom. I think it'll look really cute. So with our extra yarn that we have, we're gonna go through the middle. We're gonna come up, and then hopefully your pom-pom has a loop. We're gonna go through that loop. Just like that. And we are gonna go back down. Just like that. All right, now I'm gonna go through kind of the side. This is the middle, let's go through the side right here. And we're gonna go through it again. And then I'm just gonna go on the opposite side, down. Let's just go on all sides. So I haven't gone on that side yet. Go through our pom-pom loop and come down on the opposite side. Oh yeah, it's not coming off, it's not budging. Now we tie a knot. And that's what it looks like.